What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be talking to you guys about the new YouTube hype feature. And for those of you that don't know, my name is Trey. I am one half of the channel Trey Cat XO, and let's get right into it. So, in order to use the hype feature itself, you are actually going to have to do it on a mobile device. You cannot do it on your PC or on the browser, as it does not work. And this is how exactly you do it. So, how it's going to work is you're going to go to your YouTube app. Now, a reminder, you can only do 3 hypes per week. Every Monday, it will reset. So, you go to the video that you want to hype up. You go onto the scroll on the side there and you find the hype button like shown. Once you do, you click on that and it will take you to this little menu and it'll tell you that you can hype up this video. Now, just also another reminder, it will allow you to hype up 3 times one video all at one time. So you could put all of your hypes on one video. Now, another thing is smaller creators will get more of a hype bonus, giving them more points per hype as well. So the smaller the creator, the more bonus they're going to get. Now, something to keep in mind, something with the point system or the hypes seems to be a little bit off, could be glitched, could be not working properly, or could just be really, really delayed. I don't know 100%. But here's a few screenshots and let me explain what these are. So in the first 2 images is the same person who had hyped up the video 3 different times. In the first picture, it actually shows that it went up to 28k points. However, in the second, it actually went down somehow in points, which shouldn't actually be possible. Then we had another friend a few minutes later from the UK actually also hype it, but then it went back down to the original only 2 hypes at 9.1k points. So something definitely seems a little bit off there. We also had some other people hype and none of their hypes even showed up. So I'm not sure if this is a glitch or something is going on, but just keep this in mind as this could be impacting people or could impact obviously you hyping up somebody's video. Now, either way, obviously, I hope this video helps you guys at least use the hype feature and find it yourselves so you guys can help your friends or even help yourself and your community hype up your own videos. If you guys did get any value out of this, please like, comment, and share the video, as well as even maybe hype it up. And we'll see you guys in the next one.